Hello and welcome to English Bytes. In this video, we are discussing the word inevitable. Inevitable has 5 syllables. In British English, we pronounce it as inevitable, inevitable, inevitable. In American English, we pronounce it as inevitable, inevitable, inevitable. Inevitable means something that is unavoidable. It's bound to happen and there is no way to stop it or change it. For example, the sun rises every morning. It's inevitable. It cannot be stopped or avoided, no matter what. The example sentences are: Number 1, the inevitability of aging is a natural process. Number 2, hard work is inevitable for success. Synonyms of inevitable are unavoidable, fated, definite. The antonyms are avoidable, halted, changeable. This word is an adjective. Common preposition used with the word inevitable is of, and the other prepositions are in and for. Thanks for watching.